Let's see how to make font size bigger in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, to make your font size bigger, what you can do is first make sure that you're on the Home tab. Next, under the font section, you should be able to see these two icons right here, a letter A and a smaller letter A. Now, what these two icons denote is that the bigger one will increase your font size, and while the smaller one will reduce your font size. And to increase or decrease your font size, what you can do is first highlight the text that you want to change the font size, and either click on the bigger one, make it bigger, or the smaller one to make it smaller, just like that. And you can also use your keyboard shortcut by pressing on Control Shift and the greater than E to make your font size bigger, while you can use Control Shift less than to make your font size smaller. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.